Doctor, Julio is walking now. Should I take him to the doctor for a checkup?
Not really. His paediatrician will be able to give you some advice if it seems appropriate during his regular visits.
And what about shoes?
Shoes should follow the child's natural development. So in the first few months, they simply have to cover and protect the feet, and should be very light, like these. Then you can move on to a slightly more protective shoe with a flexible sole. When he begins crawling and taking his first steps, then it's a good idea to use a little more structured shoe, like this one, or like the one Julio is already wearing.
Does he need an arch support?
I would say no, because babies' feet are flat until their 3rd or 4th year, and the arch doesn't begin to develop until after that age. So unless his paediatrician gives you any special instructions, you won't need an arch support.
I see. And how about using a high-top shoe?
Well, certainly a slightly higher top shoe can help, especially if it has a structured rear heel to prevent the foot from moving sideways and make the child's walking action safer.
What types of shoe materials are good?
Well, the sole should be light and flexible. For example, plastic or leather are good. The inner part should be natural leather, like calf or goat skin, so that the feet can breathe. It's also important to make sure that the shoe fits the child's foot well, and that it doesn't press in on the big toe too much. If it does, then it isn't the right size. In any case, you should ask your paediatrician if you're unsure.
Thank you, Doctor.
Not at all.